Tua, and my Magic Pet Morphle can morph into anything! Let's go!
Now, Mila, you're not well, so you stay at home and rest.
Mila's sick?
Yes, Morphle. I have to go into town to pick up some medicine, so you have to make sure Mila doesn't get into any trouble.
Okay.
But I feel fine.
Down, boy. Get down!
I wonder what's going on.
But Daddy say...
Come on, Morphle. Let's make today magical.
Okay.
Huh? How did Barky get up there?
He was chasing a cat. Can you help him get down, Mila and Morphle?
Sure. Morb into a... Morb? Morb!
I think she means morph.
Yes! Morb into a Tenchi!
Okay.
No! I meant a pterodactyl!
Oh, my cake! My beautiful cake! I'll just have to make another one.
Don't worry, Mr. Vanderboos. We will bring Barky back. Barky! Barky! There he is! Oh, a car! It's Morbid time! Morb into a Oh, I was going to say trug. You know, beep, beep, trug.
Mila?
Come on, Morphle. We need to find Barky.
Who Mila talk to?
Huh? Oh, there you are, Morphle. Where's Barky?
Bridge!
After him! Barky, hang on! Quick, morph into a dolphin!
Huh?
Oh, a dolphin! You know,
Oh!
gotcha! Let's get you back to Mr. Vanderboos.
Thanks for saving Barky, Mila and Morphle. Let's get you home, my little fur ball.
Come on, Morphle. Let's see who else needs help. Morbid to
I think that's enough adventure for one day, Mila. You need some sleep.
Every day is a magical day with a magic pet.